In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure ADISRA SmartView to send notifications via WhatsApp. This feature can be used to notify, for example, when the temperature alarm reaches a certain value or send a message according to a generated event. To receive notification via WhatsApp, you need to create a Twilio account. Twilio is a communication platform that enables personalized interactions and global communications. Basically, Twilio will be responsible for integrating ADISRA SmartView with the WhatsApp accounts in which they will receive notifications. The communication flow works as follows. An event or alarm is generated in ADISRA SmartView. With sender and recipient account configured in ADISRA SmartView, notification will be sent to all recipient accounts configured in ADISRA SmartView and enabled in Twilio's sandbox. So, whenever an alarm or event is generated in ADISRA SmartView, it will be sent to all recipient WhatsApp accounts. It is worth mentioning that Twilio is a paid platform. Therefore, it is necessary to add credits for sending notifications. The cost of each notification is informed on the platform's official website. Although the platform is paid, Twilio offers $15 to test the platform. Now that we know how the architecture of the notification system works, let's create a Twilio account. Go to the Twilio platform website and create an account for free. Fill in the requested fields. A confirmation email will be sent to your email. Access your email and click on the button. Verify your email. After verifying the email, log in using the registered email and password. Enter a phone number for further verification. A verification code will be sent to you. Fill in the fields as shown in the video. Now the Twilio account has been created. Before configuring ADISRA SmartView, let's access the Twilio platform and enable the sandbox. In the left menu, click on Messages, Settings, and then on Sandbox Settings. Agree and then confirm activation. The sandbox is responsible for managing the sending and receiving of messages. After enabling the sandbox, we will enable all WhatsApp accounts, that is, the recipient accounts in which they will be able to receive notification from the sender account. Note that in the sandbox there is a WhatsApp number. This number is the sender account, which will be responsible for sending the notifications generated from ADISRA SmartView to the recipient accounts. So, let's register 2 recipient accounts. To do so, access the cell phone of each recipient account on which you will receive ADISRA SmartView notifications, add the Twilio number, and send the message according to the video. After doing so, you will receive a message from the sender stating that the recipient account is enabled. Now we have enabled the sender account and the recipient accounts. Before inserting WhatsApp accounts into ADISRA SmartView, let's create a simple application to test the notification system. The example application will consist of a temperature tag, which will have 2 configured alarms. A low-type alarm and another very low-type alarm. Whenever alarms are triggered, a notification will be sent to the recipient accounts. So, let's create the application. First, let's enter the temperature tag. Change the minimum and maximum tag values to 0 to 100. Enter the value 50 in the Initial Value property. Now, let's configure the alarm conditions. Enable the low-low condition and enter the value at which the alarm will be triggered. Let's also enable the low condition and enter the value at which the alarm will be triggered. After configuring the temperature tag, let's configure the WhatsApp accounts. In the top menu, click on Settings, Notifications, and then WhatsApp. Let's enter the first account, which will be the Twilio sender account. Enter any name to represent the sender account. Now, enter your Twilio sender account number. Go back to the Twilio website and copy and paste the sender's account number. Don't forget to remove the spaces between the numbers. Go back to the Twilio website again and copy and paste the SID code and token. Then click OK. Now, let's enter the two recipient accounts enabled to receive notification. To enter the recipient accounts, you just need to enter an alias to represent that account and the recipient account number. After adding the sender account and the two recipient accounts, reopen the WhatsApp settings window. Note that the first account entered now has two arrows. This symbol represents that this is the sender account and the others are recipient accounts. ADISRA SmartView allows configuring two types of sending, by tag group and by function. By tag group, it is possible to configure the sending of notifications according to the tag grouping and alarm condition. Create a new tag group. Then add the temperature tag. On the right, I created a new alarm notification item. Select the WhatsApp option. Select recipient account. Select the option that will trigger the notification to be sent whenever the temperature tag has low-low alarm activated. Now, let's configure the message that will be sent to the recipient account. The body of the message can be customized. In the body of the email, in addition to the message, it is possible to use 4 parameters of the activated tag. Let's insert a custom message for our application. The type parameter will show the low-low condition. The name parameter will show the name of the activated tag. The message parameter will show the message configured in the alarm properties. And the value parameter will show the current value of the actuated tag. After creating the notification message, let's insert one more notification item and configure it for the other recipient account to receive notification whenever the tag has low alarm activated. Now let's create a simple screen to test the alarm generation. As you can see, the notification system worked. Now, let's configure the sending of notifications by functions. By functions, it is possible, for example, whenever a button is clicked, a notification will be sent to a recipient account. The function we will use can be seen in the document System Function Library. To use this function, you must pass the following parameters. The first parameter is the sender account. The second parameter is the recipient account, in which you will receive the notification. The third parameter is the message which will be sent to the recipient account. So let's configure. Insert a button on the screen. In the mouse up event, let's insert the following function. Now let's test. As you can see, whenever the button is pressed, the message will be sent to the recipient account. Therefore, you can use this function in several ways. Thanks for watching until the end. Visit the ADISRA website for more information or contact info@adisra.com or the sales team.